Yo, Toe, what's the scene? It's your boy Chef back with another video, man. And I know what y'all probably thinking, like, yo, Chef, where your steering wheel at, mud? Chill, your boy upgraded, man. Do your homework on the steering wheel delete. I personally feel like you don't need it anymore, you know what I mean? We driving just like this, twist, turn, twist, turn. Nah, let me stop. But nah, let me show y'all something though. Your boy backed out a fucking bang. Do your homework on the quick release JQ quick release steering wheel Gen 1. Bro, this shit is fucking gas, bro. Do your homework on the Momo. Yeah, boy. So I invested in a Momo quick release steering wheel. And let me tell y'all something. W's in the chat. This shit is fire, bro. I deadass love this shit. I had this on the car for about a week now. No complaints. No complaints at all. Alright, so I'm about to pretty much give y'all a little demonstration, little POV drive of, you know, this new steering wheel. So bang. It's a quick release, so you know, the bottom's here. This to put on, take it off. So when you put it on, bang, just like that. Sturdy on there. Let me start the car. And it's daytime right now, but when it's light up, when it's dark outside, the buttons light up and shit. Bro, this shit W steering wheel, man. W steering wheel in the chat, boys. This has to be definitely one of my favorite mods though to the car for sure. It just gives the car a fucking racetrack look. Cause a lot of y'all boys do know I will be tracking the car in the 2026 season. So we still in 2025, so until that time comes, I'm still just gonna keep my eye on the car, doing what I gotta do to it, getting the car ready for the track. But yeah, this car will be on the track soon. So that's why I'm like, you know what I'm saying? Just make sure everything's sturdy. But yeah, man, mind you, this is a quick release with buttons that actually fucking work. So these shits ain't here just doing nothing, you know what I mean? Like, you got all your buttons here, M2, M1, you know what I'm saying, volume, phone call, reset, all these shits, all these buttons work. Mode, you know what I'm saying, switch the song, like all these shits this is a functional steering wheel, you know what I mean? It's not no bullshit. W purchase, W mod too. Shit. So as y'all can see, y'all, we are in fucking traffic. Great, we love that. But look at the wheel, y'all. Sheesh. This shit is sturdy, super sturdy. W. This cute fake been like following me since I left. But yeah, man. And it feels good. It's Alcantara around outside. Sheesh. W cop, man. W cop. This probably got definitely one of my favorite mods for sure. Definitely. And like, it's so like skinnier than the stock steering wheel. It's like you could fucking, you know what I mean? Like, grip this shit easy. Nah, great, dude. But yeah, man, let's have a little fun. Do a little sport mode on them. Why not, man? Back in the traffic shit. Damn, yo. That's why I don't really be driving during the day anymore. I don't know if y'all noticed, but my last 2-3 videos, that has just been at the nighttime, because who wants to deal with daytime traffic and shit, you know what I mean? Like, this shit is so whack, boy. Bumba clot, pussy clot, grass clot. good. Then we just... Does that nigga have that? Whoa, what the fuck is going on over there? That's them state boys? Nah, it's them undercovies. Man, fuck them niggas. It's only one nigga too. Man, let me stop. I'm joking. See, it's that black Q again. There he go. There go that car. There go that car. Let me go over here, Pa. Got a little loose there, buddy. I ain't choose this life, I think it chose me. What the fuck is that up there? Doing all that hooting and hollering and shit. Doing all that hooting and hollering and shit, man. Yeah, but YouTube, this is just gonna be a chill vid, you know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy going on. Kinda just wanted to show y'all my steering wheel for real, not gonna lie. But whoa. Shit nice. That shit doing all that hooting and hollering. The Maxiana? Oh my God. I ain't gonna see a lot of y'all chat. The roads is bugging. Like every day these shits get worse, bro. My boy outside with that rice shit. Shout out to him, man. Yo, and what I meant to say, yo. If any like underground rappers or artists, you know what I'm saying, got some unreleased music or whatever, yo, y'all should send me them shits. Yo, I'll put a little snippet in the YouTube video. Unreleased though, because, you know, the boy not trying to get copyright and all that shit. But yeah, man, I'll be willing to work with anybody, you know what I'm saying? If y'all want to work, hit me up. Y'all can hit me up in the DMs, Instagram, all that shit. Instagram, Snapchat, shit, all that shit. In the comments. If y'all want to work, collab, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, bro? We could all eat off this shit. We could all win off this shit, you know what I mean? So I'm open to working with everybody. Y'all just, you know what I'm saying? So just let me know. Just let me know, man. Let me know if y'all want to bust out Wabizzle. Actually, I lied. Let me bust this wop. That was crazy. Turning from all the way from that lane was nuts. Fuck it. Bumble! Granny shifted that bitch too. Do your homework on the granny shift. I ain't in my life, I think it chose me. I was thinking about straight piping this shit. What y'all think, man? That shit look like my bike. No, that's not my bike, but that looked like my bike for a second. Again, this life I think it chose me. Alright, my boys. I ended up pulling over into the parking lot. I could just take a few pictures of the car and shit like that, but let me show y'all. Let me show y'all what it's looking like right now. Sheesh. W interior chat. Yeah, so thought I'd take a few photos, make a few reels about the car. That's probably about it though. I'll probably most likely end the video right here. Cause let me put the lights on for y'all. You know, I told y'all this was about to be a short little small video, nothing too crazy, you know what I'm saying? Put the parking lights on for y'all. Show how the car looking shit. But yeah. Sheesh. WM2 chat. WM2. But yeah. So. Whew. Nah, WM2, man. But yeah. I'm end off the video. Oh, what the fuck? I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, all of that shit, my boy. We going up, man. Road to 1K subs, man. Appreciate the love and support. Chef out.